So first, we need to check the geometries and geometries locations from the reference. So reference could be like your from the axis. So which we take
Yes, sir.
horizontal and vertical axis. So maybe it's like this. From here,
Yes, sir.
what we give that we are going to take. So next point, geometries and geometries locations from reference. So always remember, geometries means what means? Usually, maybe it is a line or it is a circle. Geometries means, or it may be like a rectangle, or
Uh,
it is a arc also sometimes. So these are the
uh,
geometries. So we need to check where is the rectangle, where is the arc, and where is the circle. So now let me see here. So where are the geometries? So let me see here first. So here is first geometry circle, right? This is one geometry. Then this is a arc. This is a arc geometry. Then this is line geometry. This is line geometry. So like this, you have to identify first geometries, right?
okay,
So
sir.
first point is clear about the geometries, and we need to now check the geometries locations. So here, so geometry location, you can take the location. What I do, I take exactly this center in the circle. When you open the Catia, here you can see H and V. Here I
Yes,
can
sir.
take. So, yeah. So next, we will see the location. We have seen the location also now. So yes. So now what we'll see is next dependent geometries and independent geometries. So what are the dependent geometries and what are independent geometries? We'll see. So dependent geometries are nothing but size and locations. Here he'll be given. So like this is a independent geometry. Sorry, this is not given. Dependent means not given. I have written
Okay.
ulta. Okay. So this is
Okay.
a independent geometry. Why? Because here he has given the size and here he has given the location. Exactly location is at the origin 0, 0. Then this is a independent geometry and this is also independent geometry. How means first size is given. Size is nothing but its diameter. Then location.
Yes.
Location is nothing but from the x-axis and from the v-axis reference distance. From here he has given the vertical distance from the center and horizontal distance from the center. Here he has given
Yes.
two things. So it is independent geometry. So which is not at all dependent on anything. So next comes is a dependent geometry. So this line is a dependent geometry. This line.
Yes, sir.
Why this line? These two lines are dependent means these are completely dependent on this circle.
Yes, sir.
This circle and this circle. Here the size is not given for this line and here he has not given the location. So location also we don't know, even size also we don't know. Its length he is supposed to give here, right? He has not given the
Yes.
length. Then at least he has to give the distance from the reference axis. He has not mentioned.
Yes. Okay.
Now we will do it in Catia using this figure. What I do is I'll go to the windows vertical. I place it vertically. So first I'll draw with the always draw first independent geometries, then you can draw dependent geometries. Let me start with the independent geometries here. So first independent geometry is this circle. I'll draw this circle of diameter 5 by 8. This part I'll draw it first. So it's 5 by 8 independent. As the circle is in the center, so no need to give h and v distance. So I'll just keep like this. The next is this circle. I'll draw the next circle. So I need to draw this circle. So now he has not given the dimensions. You can check this and this. So here he has given this dimensions, right? Which is 5 by 8. So this arc and this arc are same. And this arc is also same. So I take this arc as 5 by 8 of radius. So here again I go to the circle. I'll click on center point. Then I'll go to the radius here in the sketcher tools. Here radius. So I'll give this 5 by 8. So next I should give this. So next we have one more circle, which is this. This is a circle. This is also independent, which the location is center and the radius is this 2 plus 3 by 4. I'll go one more circle and I'll first locate its exactly center. Then I'll give the radius here, which is 2 plus 3 by 4. So next what we do is I have drawn this. Then next I'll take independent geometry, which is line. This is a tangent line, which is tangent to this circle above arc. So I'll take one line, which is a tangent line. So I'll start from here, or else I'll just draw roughly like this. Now I make a tangent to this. How means go to the constraint here, select this line and select this circle, then right click and make a tangency. Then next, this point and this circle having a relationship here again. So which is coincide. I'll go to the coincide, I'll give. Now I'm going to trim it unnecessary portion here. Next. So what I do is next, I'll go with the next, so which is 7 by 16. So I go to the corner here and I'll give the corner like this. So the radius is here 7 by 16. I'll give that radius 7 by 16 and yes, we got this profile like this. Now I'll locate it, this radius from the H and P. From this point to horizontal, I'll locate it. Now you can check sketch solving status. It is under constraint because of this point. So nothing to worry about it. Okay. So next what I am going to do is, next I am going to mirror this entire thing, this side, this and this. Go to the mirror option and click on here. So we got it. So now you can trim it off. You can check once the sketch solving status. It is ISO constraint. Okay. So next I'll erase the unnecessary things here. So which is not required for us. I'll just erase this. Now the above shape we got it, the circle and this arc, circle and this arc. Now what I do is next I'll go with the another independent geometry. So now this is again dependent geometry. Then again this could be a dependent geometry, this line which has no size and no location. So first what I do is I'll go with this geometry which is independent. Why independent means here he has given the size right here. So next he has given the location from the central axis. From here to here vertical distance, from again Here to here horizontal distance he has given from this circle center point. So first I'll draw this circle. Roughly I'll draw somewhere here. Next I'll give the dimensions for this, which is 1/4 diameter, 1/4. Then location from this center point to here, which is 2 plus 7/16. Double click, 2 plus 7/16, enter. Then he has given a horizontal distance, but not from this axis. He has given from the another circle which has a mirror of this. First what I do is I'll mirror this, go to the mirror option, select the circle, then select the axis. Then now we will give the distance between these two circles, from this circle center point to this circle center point, which is 3 plus 1/4. So now we'll draw another independent geometry, which is this arc, which is 5/8, a radius of 5/8. I'll draw this arc. First, I'll draw the circle only for this also. Make it a radius, then give 5/8. Now fix the location. So from this circle, small circle, this is 1/4. So from this center to this center, 1/4, 1/4 here. What I do is right click and make it vertical. Double click, then 1/4. Okay, because why it is coming red means it has taken the tangential relationship here. See, because of this it is coming like this. So it already took the tangential. I delete this first. So now we will give it. Double click and give now 1/4. So next what I do is I'll mirror this, because from this arc to this arc he has given like 2 plus 3/4. This distance I'll make a mirror. Select the circle, then select the this. Now we'll give the horizontal distance. From this arc to this arc is 2 plus 3/4. So now we'll check once sketch solving status. It is isoconstraint, right? So now what I do is I'll draw this dependent geometry. We see which is a bitangent line. In the line option, go to the bitangent. First select this center, then select this circle. We got the bitangent line. So next is this arc or this corner, which is 15/16 is your corner from here. So I'll go to the corner here. So here I keep no trim atwa or trim all comments. So I select this arc and select this. Then I'll give the radius. So the radius here is 15/16. I'll give 15/16 given. See, I have given this. Now I'll erase unnecessary portion from here. Okay. So otherwise, this side also it is going right. So instead of this, what I do, I select this and I'll select this and I'll select this and I'll go to the mirror option and I'll select the axis now. We got the same thing here. Now check for the sketch solving status. It is isoconstraint. I'll quick trim it. So the outer shape we got it now. So now what we do is we need to draw the inner shape. So to draw the inner shape again, we need to focus on dependent and independent geometries. These are the corners, 4 corners and 2 circles. First circle is 11/16. Location is here. Then this location is same, this center. So I draw the 2 arcs or 2 circles. Here what I do is I draw the circles, 2 circles. So first circle is the radius he has given, which is 11 by 16. Enter. Then take one more circle, location, place it here. Then second circle is 1 plus 13 by 16. This. Then go to the radius, 1 plus 13 by 16. Enter. Yeah. So I have drawn the two circles, this circle and this circle I have drawn it. Dikshit,
Yes, sir. Sir.
so I have taken these two. So now I'll cut the unnecessary portion. This is unnecessary. I'll crop it. And this is unnecessary. I'll crop. And this is also unnecessary. I'll crop. So next is this line, which is 120 degree, which is a mirror. But these two lines has a mirror option. So what I do, I go to the line here. Now I'll mirror this side. Now I'll give the distance, angle between these two, which is 120 degree. Now I'll little extend this. Then what I do is I'll cut it here. Okay. This I have given 120. Then I'll erase the remaining. This I'll erase. This I'm going to erase. This I'll give the distance. It is iso constraint. So now lastly I'll give the radius of this corner 5 by 32. I'll go to the corner and I'll select trim all options. This one and this one I'll select first. Then give 5 by 32. Enter. And here also make the same thing. 5 by 32. Then this side same you should give. So now overall check it. It is iso constraint. You can match it with the profiles and